Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TradingView for US charting and watch lists, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with downloading TradingView for US charting and watch lists, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.tradingview.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Join for Free button located at the top right corner. Click on the Join for Free button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your details, click on Sign Up. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for quicker access. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the TradingView dashboard. Locate the chart option in the top menu and click on it. The chart interface will load, displaying various symbols and indicators. To add US stocks to your watch list, click on the Watch List tab located on the right side of the screen. In the Watch List panel, you will see an option to add symbols. Click on the plus icon to enter the ticker symbols of the US stocks you want to track. After typing a symbol, press enter to add it to your watch list. You can customize your watch list by dragging and dropping stocks to arrange them. To explore charts more thoroughly, click on any stock symbol from your watch list. The detailed chart for that stock will appear, showing various timeframes and indicators. You can access different tools like trendlines, annotations, and technical indicators from the left toolbar. To further enhance your experience, consider downloading the TradingView app for mobile access. For mobile, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TradingView. Download and install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your TradingView account on the app to access all your charts and watch lists on the go. Now you're ready to start charting US stocks and managing your watch lists on TradingView. Enjoy your trading journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.